Good morning, children. In our last video, we learned the place values of international system. You remember the different periods? We have ones period, we have thousands period, and we have millions period. In ones period, we have ones, tens, hundred. In thousands period, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In millions period also, we have 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now, children, it is easy to read a number when it is written in place value chart. But the challenge comes when we have to read the number when it is written using commas, like in newspapers and in magazines, where there is no place value chart. So today, children, we are going to read the numbers using commas in international system normally as you see them in your day-to-day life. So let's start. International system of numeration. I hope, children, by now you would have learned the place values in international system of numeration. Let us start reading the numbers. As you can see, the number A as well as the number F, they are similar in Indian as well as international systems. They are same. Okay, let's read this. 47,534, 23,450. So these two numbers are read exactly in the same manner, whether it is Indian system or international system. Okay, let's go to B. You can see there is a comma here because ones period has got over and thousands period has started, and this is thousands period, and these three digits are in thousands period. Since all three of them are in thousands period, I'm going to read them together like this. 623,700. Okay, let's see this one. Here again, we have these three digits in thousands period and these three in ones period. I'll read this. 950,704. Okay, let's move to slightly bigger numbers. This is ones period. These three digits are in thousands period and this digit is in millions period. These two commas show us that one period has got over and the other one has started. I'm going to read this one. 8,440,560. I repeat, 8,440,560. Okay, let's read this one. Again, this is ones period. This is thousands period and this is millions period. 2,300,372. So children, yeah, in this number 300 you have said two times, but please don't get confused. This 300 is in thousands period and this 300 is in ones period. I repeat this number. 2,300,372. Okay, let's go to a slightly bigger number. This is millions period, this is thousands period, and this is ones period. 73,090,800. Since there was 0, 90 In thousands period, I just read it as 90,000. So I repeat the number, 73,090,800. Let's read this one. 20,034,506. Okay, let's read this one. It's slightly bigger. This is millions period. This is thousands period. And this is ones period. Okay. 932,765,452. Okay, let me read this one. 562,900,356. I'm sure, children, you would have by now understood the importance of commas in writing large numbers. Just by looking at commas, we come to know where one period is getting over and the other period is starting, and how we are supposed to read the numbers. So children, it is extremely important for you to put commas at the correct place. So that's all for now. Please practice this. It's very, very important. You should know International System of Numeration, how to read it and how to write it. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.